Let's take a free stock video and turn it into an animation for Unreal Engine 5 using QuickMagic. If you don't know what QuickMagic is, it's an AI-powered motion capture platform that lets you turn regular videos into fully rigged 3D character animations. Instead of using a mocap suit or complex tracking setup, you simply upload a video, and QuickMagic analyzes the movement and converts it into animation data that can be exported to game engines like Unreal Engine or Unity. When you sign up for free, use my code URVOX to grab 70 Vcoins, a perfect way to jump in and test everything out. Start by clicking Import a video file and selecting your clip. Once it's uploaded, trim or crop the beginning and end so you're only keeping the exact movement you want for your emote. After that's done, choose the output format. I'm using Unreal Engine 5.6, then click Next. For animation model selection, V1 handles simple motion, but V2 gives more precise, smoother results. We'll go with V2. In the function section, you can track full body, upper body, hand, or face. Here, we'll use full body plus hand for complete motion. Only switch to T-pose or A-pose if you're retargeting to a different skeleton or creating an animation from scratch. Physical optimization V1 is simpler and lighter. V2 is more stable and handles complex physics more accurately. Iteration multiplier increases solver passes per frame. Higher equals more accurate but heavier on performance. In-place motion keeps movement animation without actual forward translation. Allow the asset to finish loading, then we'll proceed to import it into UE5. When complete, download the asset. And that's it. It's literally that simple. From a free stock video to a usable animation inside Unreal Engine 5 in just a few steps. If you want to try QuickMagic yourself, the link is in the description. And if you'd like to see me build something around this, maybe a fully replicated emote system or a complete animation workflow, let me know down in the comments. If you found this useful, make sure to subscribe for more Unreal Engine 5 development content. I'll see you in the next one.